NetFuel Digital Private Limited Presence. Top 11 mistakes which can ruin online reputation of any person, business or brand. In this video we will start with few quotes on reputation. 1. A good reputation is more valuable than money. Publilius Syrus. 2. Your reputation is what people say about you when you're not in the room. Earl Wilson. Your reputation is like a tree. You can't see it growing, but you can see the results. Warren Buffett. 4. Your reputation is what you leave behind when you walk out the door. Harper Browne. 5. A reputation takes years to build, seconds to lose, and forever to repair. Warren Buffett. 6. Reputation is a precious, brittle thing, and once it's broken it's almost impossible to put it back together again. Harper Lee. Now we discuss top 11 mistakes which can ruin online reputation of any person, business or brand. 1. Not monitoring your online presence. The first step to protecting your online reputation is to monitor what is being said about you online. This includes social media, review sites, and search engine results pages. You can use tools like Google Alerts and Mention to track mentions of your name or brand. 2. Posting negative content. If you post negative content online, it can damage your reputation. This includes things like complaining about your job, your boss, or your customers. 3. Being unprofessional online. This includes things like using foul language, making discriminatory or offensive statements, and engaging in online arguments. 4. Not responding to negative reviews. If you receive a negative review, it is important to respond promptly and professionally. Address the issue directly and offer a solution if possible. Remember to be respectful and avoid getting defensive. 5. Not claiming your online profiles. If you don't claim your online profiles, you give others control over your online presence. This means that they can post whatever they want about you, and you may not be able to remove it. 6. Not creating positive content. If you don't create positive content, your online presence will be dominated by negative content. This can make it difficult to build a positive reputation. 7. Not being active on social media. If you're not active on social media, you're missing out on an opportunity to connect with potential customers and build relationships. If you're not having time, hire someone who reply to followers. 8. Not engaging with your audience. When people interact with you on social media, be sure to engage with them. Respond to their comments and questions, and thank them for their feedback. 9. Using fake reviews. Posting fake reviews is a serious offense that can damage your reputation. If you're caught posting fake reviews, you could be banned from review sites and even face legal consequences. 10. Not being careful about what you share online. Once something is posted online, it can be difficult to remove. So, be careful about what you share online, especially if it's personal or sensitive information. 11. Honest, transparent, reliability. Always be honest, transparent and radiable. Never compromise with these 3 in any circumstances. Honesty can help you to build trust with your customers. When you are honest about your products or services, your customers are more likely to believe you and do business with you. Transparency can help you to build credibility with your customers. When you are transparent about your business practices, your customers are more likely to see you as a legitimate and trustworthy company. Reliability can help you to build loyalty with your customers. When you are reliable, your customers are more likely to come back to you again and again.